Before jumping into adopting AI, a product manager needs to understand the business landscape of the market and the competition. Does the business have a particular weakness that might require an investment in AI for developing operational efficiencies? Are there trends in the market that are leading the industry into a different direction and AI should be leveraged to develop new features in the product? For this reason, competitive and market analysis is another part of what an AI product manager should be equipped to do. We're going to look at how something called SWOT analysis will help you assess your business for innovation needs. SWOT is a planning technique used to identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of a project or business. A good SWOT analysis organizes data into 4 basic categories. A SWOT analysis grid looks like this. The 2 quadrants on the left are internal factors that you can control. This includes your strengths. These are what your company does best. And your weaknesses. These are the hurdles or roadblocks that the business faces. Always include the availability of data in the internal quadrants. Is the availability of a large and organized data set currently not available and therefore a weakness? Or is it currently a strength? What data do you have the most of? What data do you have a lack of? Things to consider in the internal quadrants of strengths and weaknesses are employee skill sets, customer base, product features, and of course, as I mentioned earlier, the availability of data. Now, the 2 quadrants on the right are the external factors that you can't control. These are your opportunities, which are situations where the business can put their strengths to good use, and your threats, which are external forces or scenarios that could be problematic or make it harder to reach your goal. In relation to AI and data, always identify whether or not you can improve your weaknesses through better data or mitigate your threats through AI. Other things to consider in the external section are industry trends, competitors, and market size. Now that you have your complete SWOT analysis, what do you do with it? Here's where you goal set and strategize. Take the top right and bottom left quadrants, the opportunities and weaknesses, to create possible goals. Opportunities are the areas that you take advantage of. This quadrant will be your inspiration for growth goals. Weaknesses are your areas that you can improve upon. This quadrant will be your inspiration for your organizational goals. Can you apply AI to improve your weaknesses? Can you apply AI to take advantage of some of the opportunities? Threats and strengths are the quadrants to keep in mind when trying to achieve the organizational and growth goals that you've set out for. Are one of your strengths a large data set? Can you leverage this strength to take advantage of an opportunity? A SWOT analysis should be your starting point for business strategy. Once you've understood your business landscape, now is the time to develop a hypothesis about the innovation you have in mind.